The Election Commission of India is set to launch ECI Net, a unified digital platform that will consolidate over 40 electoral apps to simplify services for nearly 100 crore voters. Meghalaya's CEO Dr. BDR Tiwari confirmed that rigorous testing is underway and the launch is expected soon. Tiwari also clarified that linking Aadhaar to Epic remains optional as per the Supreme Court's directive, though voters are encouraged to link voluntarily. Additionally, 524 duplicate Epic cases were identified in Meghalaya, involving the same Epic numbers in different states. All have been rectified, with new Epics issued and delivered. The old Epic numbers are mentioned on the new cards to maintain record continuity.
Commission of India is very soon going to launch a single point app for the stakeholder to subsume over existing 40 IT apps with enhanced UI UX. So new app will be known as the ECI Net to facilitate electoral services for citizens, seamless, convenient data handling for electoral offices. So this act is a very new initiative, and it has already reached in the advanced stage of development, and rigorous trials are being conducted to ensure smooth functionality, ease of use, and robust cyber security measures. It is being developed after an elaborate consultative exercise involving 36 CEOs of all state UTs, 767 district election officers, and 4,123 electoral registration officers of their state UTs, and after receiving 76 publications comprising 900 pages of electoral framework, instructions and handbook issued by ECI from time to time. So the data provided through ECI Net will be strictly aligned with the legal framework established by the Representation of the People Act 1950 and 51, registration of the electoral rules 1960 and conduct of election rules 1961, and instruction issued by Election Commission of India time to time. So there is the list of 40 existing ECI applications. So list is already been given here. So it involves the affidavit portal, India a web, result website, Election 24 hour का ECI sweep, ECI website, Fembosa, VoiceNet, Myth versus Reality, Election Trend, TV, C-Vigil portal, EMS, Encore, Media Voucher, Suvidha, Observer portal, Election Planning, IEMS, PPR, TMS, ERO-Net 2, Voter Service portal, Service Voters portal, ETPBMS, NGSP, Electoral Search, ERO-Net app, BLO app, C-Vigil app, Decider app, Encore Nodal app, ESMS app, Investigator app, KYC app, Monitor app, Observer app, Saksham app, Suvidha app, Voter Helpline app, and Voter Turnout app. So this is the list of the different IT tools being in the public domain for the different type of the users. So that will be comprises in one ECI Net's framework. Aadhaar linking, as per the Epic's Aadhaar linking is concerned, it is optional till date as per the legal framework given in the purview of the verdict of Honorable Supreme Court. So, but since Aadhaar is linked with so many facilities, we are also requesting the voter they should link their voter ID card with Aadhaar, but till time it is optional, and this service is through the EROs they can avail that. So in respect to the duplicate epics are concerned, so there are 524 cases has been identified in the Meghalaya. So all 524 has been allowed with the new epic number. This is the matter where the same epic number, but it has been found in the different state with the same epic but the two persons name. So that has been rectified, and on the initiative of Honorable Election Commission of India, the detailed exercise has been conducted, and they identified all the duplicates. They have been allotted new epic number, and all 524 epic card has been downloaded and delivered to the respective people.
How do we do for a person, he or she has to delete when he or she finds there are two epics are there in two states, or
No,
two
it is
constituents?
basically, I am just telling it, it is in respect to the same, and mostly it is out of the state. Within state we rectify. We find out the same epic number is not been allotted to the two persons. But since this exercise at the country is so vast and big, it is very difficult immediately to, so in the due process there are very few number, like in term of Meghalaya we found 524. So all states have taken up this exercise, but now it has been identified and new epic number has been given.
But there is a fear that both can be deleted. How do you get the consent of the voter that which area he wants to become?
No, basically all these this exercise, they are already voter here. Our voter, if they are then on the epic card, if the new epic number is being generated, then old epic number is also in these kind of cases is mentioned in that particular epic. That provision has been made, and accordingly these new epics are made and delivered to them.